It's a new 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,